Hello, welcome back to Belle's Reading Corner. Today we are going to talk about a story called Carmen's Colors. This is Carmen, chameleon. She lives in a rainforest. Carmen can change colors. She can be red, orange, yellow, green, blue, or purple. But Carmen has a problem. She doesn't know what color to be. I have an idea, she says. I'll visit my rainforest friends. They can help me decide. So Carmen goes on a nice stroll. Carmen sees her friend, Ben Bird. Try being red like me, says Ben. So Carmen does. I love it, she exclaims. Carmen sees her friend, Meg Monkey. Try being orange like me, says Meg. So Carmen does. I love it, she exclaims. Carmen sees her friend, Sam Snake. Try being yellow like me, says Sam. So Carmen does. I love it, she exclaims. Carmen sees a friend, Tess Turtle. Try being green like me, says Tess. So Carmen does. I love it, she exclaims. Carmen sees a friend, Finn Frog. Try being blue like me, says Finn. So Carmen does. I love it, she exclaims. Carmen sees a friend, Bella Butterfly. Try being purple like me, says Bella. So Carmen does. I love it, she exclaims. After a while, it begins to rain and Carmen starts to cry. I love red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, she says. How can I choose? Suddenly, a bright rainbow appears in the sky. It is so colorful. I know what to do, says Carmen. I'll be all the colors of the rainbow. So Carmen becomes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. What do you think? She asks her rainforest friends. We love it, they exclaim. Okay. I do too, says Carmen with a great big smile. Okay, so that is the story for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.